Hello, this is Rockshibon 2002 and today I've got something a bit different from Moshi Monsters. I've got Cut the Rope figures. As most of you will know, Cut the Rope is an awesome app where you have to get this guy called Omnom, his little sweets. You have to... I've spent ages on there trying to complete all the levels of 3 stars. And there's also some villains like this little evil spider that climbs on the ropes on the sweets. So they're called normies, and you get 2 figures inside. So let's get it open. Okay, so we got this little leaflet and it shows you all of the ones you can get. So it looks like we have this one. Pretty cool, it's got 3D glasses on. That's really cool. And then we got this one, which is sort of like an Easter one. It's a bunny. And for those of you who don't know, it's actually Easter. So that's pretty cool. So put them on top of the tree. So that's pretty cool. So here we have our 2 figures. They're really, really cool. And play the game on your phone or iPad because it is really good and it is really catchy and you will be on it for ages trying to complete the levels. So thank you for watching. Rockshibon 2002. Bye.